What's up sa inyo mga ka-team?
I am James.
And I'm Aileen.
And together we are
Team Jinglin.
And today itutur namin kayo sa isang magandang lugar which is named as
Lantawan Beaches Mountain View,
which is located at
Ginabunan, Malitbog, Southern Lights.
And without further ado mga ka-team, let's go! ayun mga ka-team, sana po ay nagustuhan niyo yung bagong vlog namin ni My Love. Don't forget to like,
Share,
comment, and
And subscribe sa aming YouTube channel.
And hit mo na rin yung notification bell button
para updated ka sa mga future videos na i-upload namin.
So see you sa next video mga ka-team. This is James.
And Eileen,
Bye-bye.
bye!
The sun was rising on the 4th of April. Days and weeks and years have been bypassing. I was stuck in this, not being too faithful. So young and dumb, I never learned it. Mama told me you should never play with the heart. Maybe I should told you this right from the very start. Baby, I was tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart. But I am so done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs, never-ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart. So done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs, never-ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart. You were always on your phone. I thought I can't do this no more. This was a goddamn